Alright guys, today we are having tacos. I went to a new place I've never been to. I just wanted to try something different. And I searched for tacos on Yelp and this place came up and let me give you a close-up on the tacos. Alright, here's a close-up of my tacos. I think it comes with like lettuce, tomatoes. It has this beef right here. I don't know if you can tell, it's like all juicy. And you can see all the juice coming out right there. You can see all that juice right there on the plate. It looks really, I never had tacos like this where the juice is like coming out like that. It's like, something might be good. But yeah, anyways, it has lettuce, tomatoes, it has sour cream, guacamole. I don't know. Oh, and beans. It has beans. Looks really good, guys. I'm excited. So yeah, these tacos, I really love ground beef on my tacos. So I chose ground beef, and as you can see in the videos that I just showed you, the beef is like, it's all like oily and juicy. I don't know, it looks really good. Got some chips, some salsa. Yeah, I also got a Coke, guys. Got some salsa for the chips. Maybe for the tacos too, I don't know. This, of course, is mild. Actually, it's a little bit more than mild. It's like a little spicy. It's after a while, it's kind of too spicy. But one of the reasons why I chose this Mexican restaurant, because on Yelp and the pictures, it was like, it was a great salsa bar, but they only had 3 salsas. It's really weird. but you get all you want chips, so that's cool. Salsa's pretty good. I had a little bit at the restaurant. It's spicy. I wish it was a little bit not as spicy. But there's onions in here and they're like really nice and big. It's good. And guys, I got Mexican Coke. Mexican Coke is probably my favorite thing to get or eat Mexican food. I don't know why, I just think it goes really well together. Alright, let's try these tacos. I'm excited. I'm really excited, guys. I can try it out. Mmm. It's actually really good. I think it's, I don't know if it's my favorite taco, but the beef in here is really good. Very tender. Juice is coming out. It's really good. Mmm. Yeah, and this has everything I want in a taco. I love sour cream, I love guacamole, I have cheese. It has everything I want in a taco. Some places they'll say sour cream or guacamole, but they'll charge you extra for one or the other. But this one has everything. And these cost $2.50 each. Let me know if that's a good deal or bad deal. I think for the quality of food, it's pretty good because the beef is it's a phenomenal, guys. It really is. And this was requested by a new subscriber. They wanted me to eat tacos, and I said, sure, no problem. Tacos is probably one of my favorite foods. I really like it. You can try different meats, like you could do shrimp, chicken, beef, crunchy. This is not crunchy, this is like a soft tortilla. But you can mix everything. I'm actually gonna try it with some salsa. I don't think it needs it, but let's try this beef right here. Yeah, beef's really good. It's sauteed in some like spices or something. I don't know, but it's really good. Usually when I get beef at a Mexican restaurant, it's just like plain beef. But this is sauteed in something. I don't know. It's really good though. Let me try some of the salsa. just for the fun of it. I don't think it needs it, but I do want to see if it adds anything to it. So let's try it out. Good. Like I said, I don't think it needs it, but I just want to try it out. So I was trying to figure out what I'm going to eat for lunch today because I want to do another video tonight. It's about 1 p.m. And I don't want to eat too much. I don't want to eat a too big lunch because I'm going to do this. I'm going to try to cook something tonight. And if it turns out, I'm not going to tell you what it is because I'm not sure if it's going to turn out. I hope it turns out really well. And if it does, it's going to be a great video, guys. Especially if you live in LA. That's all I'll say about that. That might have said too much. But it'll be a surprise if it turns out, and I'm hoping it will. After I eat this, I'm going to get the ingredients for this thing I'm making that I won't tell you right now. It's very good. So one of my comments, somebody said that, why do I always nod after I eat something? It's like, I don't know, that's how I eat. I don't know how to change that. They said, please stop. I don't know how to change that, guy. That's how I eat, you know? But I'll try to do less nodding, I guess. It's hard. I hate when people do mukbang videos and they're trying to tell people, like, how to eat. Like, that's how they eat, you know? But yeah, this is really good. Probably one of my favorite beef tacos I've ever had. Now, there's another restaurant that I had a beef taco. It was really good. I think it was crunchy tacos. Yeah, it was crunchy. This is more of a soft tortilla. But, that was really good too. But this, I feel like the beef still to show. Yeah, anyways, I was trying to figure out what to do for lunch today, and I thought maybe I should go to Subway and get a tuna fish sandwich. Something lighter, because I'm doing like a big dinner tonight, kind of. But then somebody was like, oh, I forgot somebody suggested tacos. I go, that's not too heavy. So. I think when you add the salsa in the tacos, it takes away from the beef flavor. So I don't think I'm gonna do that. The beef flavor is really good. So the kids and my sister and their husband, they're gone for a few days. I'm gonna try to do a few videos. Do 2 today. I might do 1 tomorrow, because I might do a big dinner tomorrow, which I would like to have that to be a surprise as well. And yeah. So I haven't really had a lot of luck applying for jobs. I think I applied 7 in the last few days. I mean, the last 2 weeks. And nobody really called me. I got 2 emails from 2 companies that said they weren't interested in me, that my resume didn't match what they're looking for. And that was, one of the jobs was a food service clerk person at a IKEA store. And I just thought that would be kind of cool. it's in Emeryville, so I know the starting pay would that be 15 an hour. That's why that was one of the reasons I wanted to do it because the pay was so high. And another job that denied me was the movie theater guys. They also said that my resume didn't match what they're looking for, or they're going to move on to other applicants. It's kind of a bummer because it's like it's just an. I think anybody would get a job at a movie theater. Even fast food jobs are not calling me, which is strange. So I decided I think I'm gonna go back to doing Postmates because I think I need to make at least 500 to 1,000 a month to get an apartment in the Bay Area. I prefer to have 1,000 because I would have better options. Just be better if I made more money. You know, maybe a better place, a better apartment. Some of the apartments I'm looking at, I don't know if you ever see my videos on my other channel. The apartment tours. They're just kind of like they're not nice apartments. They don't have a pool or a jacuzzi or a spa or they don't have any of that. They don't have. It's just like just a random apartment, or it could be an apartment in a house, So it's not one of those fancy apartments, but those ones in my area cost 2,000 a month. Those fancy ones with a pool and a spa, jacuzzi, all that stuff. So it's really hard to find one in the Bay Area. I know I have quite a few subscribers. I know you guys that live in the Bay Area. I know you know what I'm talking about. Even if you live in LA, even if you live in California, you know what I'm talking about. Pretty much LA and the Bay Area is the same, but I think Bay Area is a little bit more pricier, in my opinion. So I kind of averaged it out. If I made, so when I do, okay, let me tell you, this is the reason why I'm doing Postmates and why I decided to do Postmates was because I've been doing like money affirmations, listening to like YouTube money meditations, and trying to ask questions. How am I going to make $1,000 a month? How am I going to make $1,000 a month? What I need to do today to make $1,000 a month? Asking myself questions. And so I know my mom and my brother. So I've been doing this for the last 2 weeks straight, right? My mom and my brother, they recently they're doing Uber Eats in San Diego. They're working as a team. My mom's driving, and my brother is going to the restaurant, pick up the food, and then is dropping off at the customer. And they've been doing pretty well. I think my mom said she made $20 an hour. I don't know if she does that every hour. Mom, if you want to comment below and comment, are you making $20 an hour every time you do Uber Eats? Let us know. So my mom was talking about, how much she's doing. And I was like, I don't know if I could do. Now, when I do Uber Eats in my area, it doesn't work very well. It's just not as busy. Postmates is busier for me, and I can't do DoorDash because I was deactivated. So I have no choice to do Postmates, which is fine because for me it's better than Uber Eats because Postmates tips more than Uber Eats. Not a lot though. So yeah, I was talking to my mom, and I was like, I can't really do Postmates because most people want, like if you own your own business, they want like a year, they want your W-2 forms, they want your W-2 forms, right? Then I asked on, there's a Postmates Facebook group, and I asked, if you do Postmates, and to get an apartment, do you have, can you show your bank statements only? And they're like, yeah, some people want 2 months at least, some people want more, just depends on the apartment. And I was like, okay, maybe I can do Postmates to get an apartment. So I calculated if I can do 25 deliveries in a week, guys, I could be making at least $500 or more a month. So and I don't like to do deliveries at nighttime because it's just so hard to see, and I just get lost easily, and I don't like driving in rush hour. So I think if I can just like do a bunch of food deliveries on the weekend, I think that would. If I could do 10 on Saturday, 10 on Sunday, and then 5 during the week, like a few like in the evenings where it gets before dark, I think I can do 25 a week. Yeah, because guys, I averagely make $5 a delivery because the lowest you can make I think is 4, and between 4 to 7, depending on how far you go, because you don't get paid to go to the restaurant. You just get paid to go from the restaurant to the customer's house by mileage. So It's not much. Like I got $7 for delivering to a woman who lived in Lafayette, and it was a Pete's Coffee in Walnut Creek, and I didn't really realize I had to go that far, but got $7 for that. She did give me a dollar tip. It's not much, but it was only she only wanted like a vanilla latte, just one cup of coffee. So I could see why she didn't tip that much because it was just one cup of coffee. I'm actually surprised she tipped at all because a lot of customers in my area they don't tip very well. Mm. So yeah, I'm thinking if I do 25 deliveries in a week, I'll make 500 because I average make $5 a delivery, and if they tip, that's even better. Like I did this week, I did 5 deliveries and I made 30 because I got a few tips. That's not bad. So that's what I'm gonna do. I don't know if I'm how long I'm gonna be doing Postmates or if I'm gonna do it for a long time, but right now I think I'm just gonna try to do that and just work a ton of hours, a ton of deliveries. I'm gonna try to get $500 a month for doing this, at least, because I need at least 500 to get an apartment, and then just to show proof, here's my third income. But yeah, that's my plan. Since nobody's calling me for a job. I've had better chips and salsa, to be honest. I don't know. I don't know if these chips are homemade. They don't really taste homemade. I don't know. Well, they're good though, but alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed what I ate. Thank you subscriber for recommending this video. Yeah, thank you so much guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.